Okay, it's here. Madam Glam's new August collection, a Sunset Bells collection. And they are, of course, vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and HEMA-free. And as here are their socials: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, X, and YouTube. And of course, if you want to learn about recycling this box, check out that little barcode. So here we go, folks. Madam Glam's Sunset Bells collection. August glows with golden goodbyes and fresh beginnings. One last shimmer of summer before the new season calls. 8 soak-off gels in this collection, and this month we embrace the magic of August, the golden hour of summer where every shade tells a story of confidence, color, and transition. Our newest collection is a luminous fusion of creamy shades and radiant colors designed to dazzle from golden hour to after hours. Bold, playful, and impossibly glam, this is the ultimate end of summer statement. As summer begins to wind down, this time to savor every radiant moment of Sunset Bells collection. This lineup features 4 radiant cream shades and 4 soft shimmering cat eye finishes. Perfect for that final splash of sunshine or a fresh start to the horizon. On the horizon, we believe beauty should feel good as it looks. That's why our gel polishes are designed with both you and our planet in mind. 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free. Each bottle is packed with rich, vibrant colors and clean formula you can trust, so you can wear your favorite shades with confidence and care. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all the cream colors first. And y'all, these colors are so pretty. This pink right here is like it's a pink, but it's almost somewhere between a dusty pink and maybe like a dusty rose. Not quite a dusty rose, it's not quite red enough, but y'all, ooh, gorgeous color. This right here, oh my gosh, it's not really red and it's not an orange, it's somewhere kind of in between. And now it looks a little more red in the camera, but it's not. It is red, but it's not red. Does that make any sense at all? Probably not. That's okay. But you know what I mean. Anyway, y'all, this color is gorgeous, and these creams go on like a dream. And of course, for my purple girls, this is amazing. I don't think I have a purple even close to this. Yo, I'm drooling over this collection. But what I want to know is, which ones do you think are my favorites? So, of course, I want you to tell me what your favorite cream color is, and then tell me what your favorite cat eye one is. Yo, take a guess what mine is. I think you will be surprised. And as per usual, the top of the swatch stick is going to be 1 coat, and the bottom of the swatch is going to be 2 coats, so that you can see the difference, because there is a difference. When you do the second coat, it just makes that color so much more bold and pop. But if you do nails, you kind of already know that. But if you're new to gels, you may not be aware of that. So the 2 coat thing is for me. Very rarely do I ever do 1 coat when I'm doing some nails. I almost always do 2 coats. So, but it also depends on the product. But these Madam Glam gels, you can get away with 1 coat if you want. Personally, I like to have my color as rich as it possibly can be, so I like to do 2 coats. Unless, of course, I am hand painting nail art, and then usually it's going to be 1 coat. But that's a whole nother story. I do top coat off camera, and I also do, of course, as always, I do a matte coat underneath, so you can see how it looks both ways, because you know I've got a soft spot for matte top coats. If you know, you know. And I know that you know that I know that you know I'm a sucker for matte top coats. And this collection is no different, of course. The matte top coats are where it's at with these cream colors, y'all. I'm telling you. And I absolutely love glitter and cat eyes with matte top coat too. You know, there's just something about it that is so, so special. So now we are off to do the cat eyes. And y'all, one thing I will say about this collection is all of these colors match and flow just perfectly. Like the pinks, all the cream colors are, you know, kind of like a gradient to lightest to darkest, but then so are the cat eyes. The cat eyes, every single cat eye can work with any single one of the cream colors. It's just amazing how well it works. I will say that the orange cat eye, and yes, that is an orange cat eye. Well, it's got hints of red in it too, but to me, it's orange. So let me know if you think it's more of a red or more of an orange once you see it. Personally, I feel like it's more of an orange, but it goes so well with that reddish rose color. Oh my gosh, these colors are just perfect. I mean, I don't have anything that's even similar to any of these colors. Usually I only do one coat for a cat eye, but for these are kind of like a jelly cat eye almost, or what they call a glass cat eye. So I am going to do 2 coats, just so you can see how much that color pops. And y'all, they do pop and they are absolutely stunning. So if you haven't already picked up this collection, I know you're going to want to, so make sure to check out the discount code in the description box so that you can pick these up for a discount if you are not part of the VIP program. So when you check out and you're not using the VIP program, you will pick pay as you go, and then you will put the discount code in. And that will save you some coins. Otherwise, if you want to do the VIP program, y'all, you can save so much money on so many products, and there's a lot of great other perks, like you can get collections early before the release date, and they have all kinds of other perks that you need to check out if you are interested. The VIP program is $29.99 a month, and if you don't use it 1 month, you can roll that money over to whenever you want to spend it, and you can pause your subscription at any time and then restart it up later. It is 100% worth it, so y'all go for it. Anyway, I'm going to jump off here and I'm going to let you finish watching. There's only like a couple more minutes left. And yeah, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and taking the time to comment, like, share. And if you haven't already subscribed, y'all, what's the holdup? You're already watching, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I would absolutely love and enjoy having you here. And if you haven't already and you're waiting in the wings and you're watching from afar, and just go ahead and leave me a comment so I know you're here. I really enjoy interacting with you, and it absolutely makes my day. So until next time, love, hugs, and blessings. Bye-bye.